hold him by his ear and slap him twice. Let's get down.
Okay, here guys, a toast to Amit and Shravani. May they continue to love and fight with each other.
Charlie's Angels.
You're like a chick magnet.
Shut up. Oh, yeah. Hello. So when I will be having your party, take a proper seat. Yes, that's good. That's good. So looking so nice. देखो engineer में fruit click.
Alok is actually blushing.
Alok, Piyu, you guys should hurry up. The longer you delay, more of the chances your folks are going to find someone for you.
Yeah, man. Either you screw yourself or they'll screw you.
Come on, don't give me that. Arranged marriages won't work for us, and everyone knows that. I mean, we've been together for 5 years now, but we're not quite there yet.
But why, Pio? Marriage isn't that bad.
Yeah.
You will have fun,
Oh yeah, fun.
Oh.
Really go to the arranged scene, man. I'm pretty sure a darling like you would find someone else.
Impossible. Relationships are not made in heaven. It's like people get together, they share their common interests, they get to know each other. Relationships can happen many times. Between a lot of people.
No, hold on. But then how do you account for trust, loyalty, fidelity?
Exactly.
Not really. I mean, this whole idea of love marriages over arranged marriage is too romanticized. It only happens in movies. These days, in arranged marriages, people go out together.
Yeah, but how many times do they meet? Twice, thrice? You talk about your jobs, hobbies, and maybe hold hands. That's it.
The most adventurous would probably make out. But at the end of the day, why are you marrying this girl? Because your dad told you to?
I'm telling you, it's even better than prostitution. Fix it up. Arrange sex.
Arey, even better than that. Here guys don't need to pay for it. They get paid in return.
Guys, you're taking it too far. In earlier generations, most of the marriages were arranged. My parents did so. It wasn't prostitution for them or anything like it. So,
Yeah.
Guys, you're all missing one point. If the marriage is not right, then one is royally screwed. Love or arranged, everyone gets clobbered.
Oh, please shut up.
सबकी पड़ती है
The
यार.
concept of arranged marriage is just so superficial. And as they say, it's about living with someone versus someone you cannot live without.
The academic in me has a devious plan. How about an experiment to test this love versus arranged marriage?
You know what? It could be done.
Well, let's have an adventure then.
But what are you really thinking of?
We can get an account done these days in those matrimonial sites.
too good.
Who wants to be the Vakra? Let's do this!
Alok.
Hey, I don't want to be added to such a venture.
Come on.
And while we're at it, we should have a wager.
Are you guys serious? No way.
If Olaf does find someone interesting, I get another bottle of this fine wine.
Amit, tu bhi.
Oh, come on, Alok. Be a sport.
Okay, fine. But I'm not wasting any time on these matrimonial sites and profiles. Happy?
I know very well we aren't going to be losing this bet. Alok.
Make hay while the sun shines.
Give it to me, man.
What is it? Let's see. Make him an engineer and an MBA. And throw in a firang job. Girls will just love him.
Hey, look. If you're doing it, we should do it for real. I mean, every wager has a rule, right?
Ah yes, the wife is always right. I don't want some farce played here. It has to be real or we don't do it at all.
Hey, Pata, let's find a killer pic of Alok.
Look at that. Perfect chick magnet, yeah.
Well, what do you know? Someone has expressed interest for Mr. Darcy here.
Oh my god, let me see.
Oh boy, it's a specimen.
Okay, Alok. Now it's your solemn duty to log in every day and keep in touch with her.
You try to understand. It's fun and game for us, but for her, it's serious. How will she feel when she gets to know this is all?
Hey, Alok, relax, man.
Yeah.
Nobody will come to know. Plus, we'll call it quits if it gets too serious. And she's probably met a lot of guys. Chances are, half of them have rejected her, and she's rejected the remaining half. It's simple probability, my friend.
Exactly. And all that you have to do till then is just play along.
You try to
But
understand.
let's get this right. This is no game at all. We have just got to prove my point.
Hey Alok, don't worry too much. Let's believe Partha for that matter. But you guys, let's keep it to the experimentation basis only. Okay? No hurting his sentiments.
Done.
Are you guys nuts? This is not happening, okay?
Why are you getting so serious about it? Come on, it'll be fun. We'll just meet her once and her family will be like, welcome, welcome, and that's all. Her family will greet us. Welcome, welcome. A baby will be running around the house. Shy and nervous, Alok will sit on the sofa. Her father will ask Alok, what do you do, beta? Then, Husn Bahar, Mallika-e-Jahan, Paromita will appear gorgeous. Shy and nervous, looking towards her toes. Her father will ask the bride and the groom to be comfortable with each other. You guys should be there, you know. I mean, I can't just forget his face. He's been 6 months now. I just can't stop laughing. Poor thing.
When his father said be comfortable, you could have been really comfortable. But instead, he acted like a good boy.
He's sitting like, yeah, no, yeah. Absolute monosyllable. He's always been the thinker. But now it seems his chauvinism is taken over. You know, back at the girl's house, he was more nervous than the girl herself. He wasn't even looking at her.
Hey, hello. Paromita calling. You are still in touch with her? Wow.
अरे भाई यार, go ahead, talk to her. हाँ जा यार, प्यार किया तो डरना क्या?
pouring whiskey and coke. You take a drag as you see the flaw and puff right into my face. And when I think I have called your bluff, pull out your king and ace. Wait, hold on. You gotta love me some more. Wait, hold on. You gotta love me some more.